video to show you how to remove the airbag and the steering wheel of a Vauxhall Corsa D. Firstly, you need to, don't know if you can see it, there's a little hole that's covered in just here. You need to poke a screwdriver through there, which I'll show you in a second. I've pushed that through now, I've clicked it out. I can't hold the camera and pull the airbag and push a screwdriver in at once, but you can see where it goes just behind. You have to push it slightly on an angle towards the clocks and you'll feel the spring. Just carefully push it in and then the airbag will come out on both sides. And I'll show you what to do next, and I'll show you how it unclips it with the screwdriver once I've got this airbag off. Right, as you can see, I've removed the airbag, and you can see here, you just lift them orange tabs up with a screwdriver, and you pull out of the airbag. There's also another one, it's just a clip, fits in the top, that comes out, and this wire in here, you need this out before you remove the steering wheel. That just pulls out, that one just pulls out of there. I'll show you here. You can see the hole for the where the screwdriver comes through, and then you can also see on the airbag here what's happening when you push that through. That's how it releases, and that's how the airbag comes off. Now we'll tell you the size of this, and that comes straight out, but I'll show you when I'm removing that as well. Alright, I've wound the bolt out. It's a T50 Torx bit. Just used the gun, pulled it out. Then the steering wheel will just come out. Just be careful it doesn't pull all the squib apart when you pull it out. But yeah, that's it. That's the steering wheel removed.